What's up, guys? We're here again today with an all-new video on the Kitaco DOHC 4-valve 181cc big bore kit for the Honda Grom and the Honda Monkey. That's a lot to take in, but this is basically two camshafts, dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves, 181cc, beautiful machine work, 4-valve head, 2 independent camshafts allowing for maximum potential horsepower output out of this motor. You get a forged 181cc. Again, that's forged piston, not cast, forged. Much stronger than a cast piston. All custom domed for the 4-valve relief. The pin. You get the 181cc cylinder. And you get a forged crankshaft and connecting rod for more reliability and strength. You get all the gaskets, head gaskets, base gaskets, exhaust gaskets, case gaskets. You get a new timing chain, all the fittings, connections, injector. Now this is Kitaco's proprietary injector. We also offer a PCX 150 injector for a little bit easier tuning that guys find sometimes, but it's personal preference. Some guys try this first, see if they like it. If they don't, they get the PCX 150. You get HD studs, you get the bearings, you get more fittings, a spark plug. All of this comes in this kit. And again, what makes this so unique is the dual overhead cams, allowing maximum horsepower out of this monster 4-valve head. As most of you guys know, all high-performance cars these days have dual overhead cams, but the old-school single cam in the middle has its limitations. You just can only do so much with having lobes on the same camshaft. Having them independent allows independent timing and also allows a lot more potential out of that head. If you enjoyed our video, please be sure to click subscribe to help support the channel so we can continue bringing great videos like this to you guys. And of course, leave a comment below what you think of the big bore kit. If you're interested in it, we have links below as well that you can take a look at. And of course, if you have any questions about anything here or any other products we sell, be sure to check out our website, HardRacing.com. You can send us an email, give us a call. We'll get you taken care of. And of course, be sure to check out all our other videos. We've got tons and tons of other videos. Product reviews on a lot of other parts. How to use it. How to install it. Pretty much anything you can think of that you might need help on. We have videos for it. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon.